This is another Nike collaboration. Shout outs to G Dragon. Bro, thank you. This is, if you don't know already, the Nike Air Force One Paranoise, designed by South Korean pop star, excuse me. Is it K-pop, I guess it's pop star. K-pop star. Great guy, you know what I'm saying? I'm really, to be 100% honest, I need to look at some of his other fashion collaborations, what he's got going on with his brand, but man, I'm really feeling, I like when I see pictures of bro, I like his style. You know, as long as it's not the baggy joints, but like the concept of this shoe, I think is great. I really think it's like, dude, he kind of reinvented. I know the material, breaking off material is not new, but he reinvented the Air Force One for this next little generation of people out here. So this is the Paranoise. Let me get a closer shot. We're gonna show you some of the imperfections people supposedly say the shoe has, which it isn't. It's technically the design of the shoe. I don't know if you can see through the camera those cracks in the leather, but this is a great shoe. Me personally, I think that gives the shoe character, along with the thicker laces. They also give you these. I'm pretty sure this is for either the laces or the actual tongue. I mean, not the something like around here in the loopholes. Not sure, gotta look that up, but it's pretty cool. Once again, this shoe is going up there. Retail, I paid $250 for this because overseas retailer, but most definitely worth it. The shoe's going for like $600. So that's a very good price. There's no imperfections, bro. Like, I look and I look and I look and I look. I don't see anything. The tongue has an embroidered flower, which is that the flower, as you know, it's been really hyped this year. Pretty much that, but on the tongue, embroidered. I think this shoe is great. Like the dirty bottom joint like that is just a plug. I was definitely a fan of the black version. I thought that was really cool. I overslept on that one. Really did. It was probably would have had a good decent chance of getting me. So if you ever feel like you don't do the effort for a shoe, man, don't start thinking like that. If you enjoy the shoes, you're trying to resell or something like that, go for it. Go for it. This is one of the last raffles I did. Literally, there was 3 more raffles that were open that night. This closed probably like in 2-3 hours from the time I did it to get the raffle, and I got it, bro. So do your raffles. You got time, sitting up, watching TV, bullshitting on your phone, do it. Smoking a little something, do it. All right. This shoe is great. The leather, I'm feeling it's like, I know it has a layer of paint above it, which is great. It's pretty cool. The only other little thing is like a little paint chip, not even chip, but that's like glue, the paint that's on there that they stopped it at. Fine, it's gonna fall off when you chip the shoe down. This is a great shoe. The insole, I'm not gonna pull the insole out today, but it's pretty much similar to the outside of the box. So this is a shoe that they took time with. If you have the shoe, you have capital, I think this is a good haul. I think this shoe is going up maybe another extra $150. Definitely selling this at around $650, $700. Most likely gonna consign this one. This is a very good consign. Cause you got people locally that probably know what this is, but you can get that $1 for sure at the consignment shop when people come in. This is a 9.5. It is for sale. If you want to purchase this one, DM sneaker_swerve on IG. Also have a TikTok with the same name. Go ahead and do that. And as you know, in the description, there's an eBay link. Let me know what you think of this shoe, the Nike Air Force One Paranoise by G Dragon. Me personally, this isn't my size. Would I wear it for myself? The black for sure. White, yeah, I think I would do that as well. If I had that room in my pockets, I would most definitely. Like right now, I'm just kind of focusing on growing the business, so I'm not trying to buy too many personals. The one Mocha was my one last personal. I was thinking about a pair of 500s, but fuck that up. So you know, that's probably for a reason. Keep it business orientated. But thank you for watching the video. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, dislike it. Peace.